In winter, many birds can find themselves in frigid conditions. Regardless of whether these birds are mostly found on dry land or are found in more aquatic environments, they need to be able to deal with sub-zero temperatures. As a result, birds have a built-in behavioral and physiological heating system. First off, birds can pull in their legs close to their bodies underneath their warm, downy feathers. Additionally, their legs are built with what is called a countercurrent heat exchange system. With the warm arterial blood leaving the body core, it actually heats up the adjacent returning cool venous blood, thereby not reducing the body core temperature.